Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing this pink cut crease, and we're going to start off by doing my eyebrows. I'm using my Anastasia pencil, and basically I'm just underlining my eyebrow and then just going to fill it in with some brown eyeshadow. Here I'm just using the brown eyeshadow. It has to be like a medium brown, and just softly just filling in my eyebrows where I think I need it. I think this is the way it looks more natural, so that's what I always do. Now I am using my concealer to clean out my eyebrows. So this is a LA Pro concealer, and I just guide myself through the bottom. Basically the concealer, I use it as my base. So after I'm done blending that, I'm going to use a pink eyeshadow and start working on my crease. So I'm just going to blend out the pink all in my crease. And you have to blend it really, really good. So as you can see, I'm taking my time. Now to have blend all the colors together, I'm using a lighter shade under my eyebrow, so just like my highlight, and I'm going to make sure I blend it in with the pink. That way it looks more blended and more seamless. With a different brush, I'm going to start using the darker pink, and it's a smaller blending brush, and basically I'm just going to start adding it to my crease, but right on my crease. It's okay if you blend a little bit over or under, we're going to clean it up later. Now I'm using a different brush and I'm just buffing in all the color and just making sure it's very, very blended just because that's what we're going for. And now I'm using a flat brush with the darker pink just to outline the actual pink. And then a bigger brush just to blend it all out. That brush has no product, so just whatever it's in your eye, that's what we're blending. Now I am cutting my crease with a flat brush from Wet n Wild and my concealer. So this is a very long process, so just take your time. As you can see on the other eye, I still have to clean it up a little bit, but just take your time and do it slowly, and like look away from the mirror and then look back. That way it can help you see all the little details. Now you spread out the product. It's okay if it looks a little bumpy in the top. You're still going to go back with the pink and just make sure it's outlined perfectly. Like I said, this takes a long time. Well, for me, it took a long time. Um, and then now you can see that I'm using the pink to outline the actual cut crease. So it's okay if it doesn't look perfect. You'll get it there. As you can see, I'm still working on my crease. Just putting a little bit more concealer so it can look light. And I'm leaving in these clips so you can see how long it actually takes. Like I said, it took me. And I usually don't go for a cut crease, so maybe that's why. And now I'm doing my eyeliner. I'm using the same pink that I used on the top, and I'm basically just outlining my entire eye. It was actually pretty hard because it wasn't intense enough, so I have to go back and forth with product. And again with the concealer, trying to clean it up. Now I am underlining my bottom, my waterline, and I am using the pink that I use on the top. So I'm just using a flat brush and I'm just blending it in. And now I am using the LA Pro concealer for my under eyes. I am using a brush to blend that out. And I am also using my beauty blender. It's not a beauty blender, it's a sponge, to even it out on my eyes just so I can get that sharp edge on the corners. After blending all my foundation in and all my concealer, lastly I'm going to set my face with the translucent powder. I always set my face because it helps keep my oils in. I do have very oily skin and I like how it looks matte. After this, I am going to set my under eyes with also a translucent powder, but I'm going to bake it just because I don't want any creasing under my eyes. And after this, guys, I contoured, I put some lip products, and I put blush. But my footage deleted, so this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoy. It's a very fun pink cut crease, and I loved how it turned out. I think I will try this again, and see you guys next time. Bye.